Hey there, car enthusiasts. Have you been eagerly waiting for the launch of the Zoom CX-70? Well, we've got some news for you. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and share it with your friends. Let's keep you updated on all things automotive. So, the Zoom company had promised to introduce the CX-70 in 2023. However, as we approach the end of the year, the new SUV is still not here. In fact, don't hold your breath on seeing it soon, since the RWD-based family hauler has been pushed back until sometime next year. Yes, you heard it right. Mazda North America CEO Tom Donnelly announced that the model will now be launched in 2024. But there's more. Just like the CX-90 is offered with a plug-in hybrid powertrain, Donnelly confirmed that the CX-70 is also getting an electrified setup. The CX-90 PHEV has a 2.5-liter gasoline engine, working together with an electric motor for a total system output of 323 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque, delivered to an all-wheel drive system. It boasts an 8-speed automatic with a wet clutch and has a 14.8 kWh battery pack, good for an EPA-estimated 25 miles of electric range. The newcomer is expected to come strictly with 2 rows of seats, whereas the CX-90 can accommodate 6 or 7 people, depending on configuration. Contrary to popular belief, the CX-70 isn't going to be smaller. In an official document published back in February to complement the FY March 2023 third-quarter financial results briefing, the Japanese brand said the CX-70 will be a 2-row model with the same body as the CX-90. You can access this document on Mazda's website. In related news, Donnelly said an electric vehicle will be launched in North America in 2025, following the discontinuation of the slow-selling MX-30 after the 2023 model year. He mentioned it's going to use the name of an existing product, suggesting it'll probably be an SUV. Down the line, additional EVs could be launched depending on customer demand. Now for some exciting news. Donnelly is confident that Mazda will sell more than 350,000 units this year in North America, where he projects the company will move 500,000 vehicles by 2025. Market share has already reached 2.3%, which is the highest ever since Mazda entered the US back in 1960. The CX-90 is off to a great start as it's already outselling the CX-9, which bows out after the 2023 model year. That's all for today, folks. Remember to subscribe for more updates and leave a like if you found this video informative. Share it with your friends and help them stay updated too. Until next time, keep zooming.